Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a signature to your Microsoft Word document. It's a very simple thing to do and it's quite useful if you're working regularly with documents that need to be signed by people. To do this is just going to the insert page right here, the insert tab on top of the ribbon, and going way back to the right. And here you have signature line. Just click on it and you'll be prompted the signature setup. The first thing you need to do is write the person's name, the title, for example, shop manager, and the signer's email, for example. And after you fill these three in, make sure that they're correct. You can even add some instruction to them. Just click OK. And here your signature will be pasted in as an image. So you can either you can edit it as for the size. It's a bit tricky to get. But always add this on the very end like this, so it can be at the bottom of the page. You don't want it at the other page if you have room for it, of course. And here is the sign in. Of course, you don't need to add anything. You can just add the X and the line for signing, but that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.